Yeah, so what we have here today is our whole lineup of VNAs. This is a new big boy. It's the PNA-X Pro, and its key thing is every single port is a fully functional source, completely independent with frequency, independent phase. Each source can be modulated up to 6 gigahertz. And what we've got set up here is a pretty complicated device. It's an IQ up converter, IQ down converter, and it's from Analog Devices. They loaned us this. And one of the things we can do with this that no one else has been able to do before is phase control the I and Qs independently while we up convert and measure the image signals and the output signals directly. So one of the demonstrations I think is a really interesting demonstration is here we're sweeping the phase of the I and the Q from minus 180 to plus 180. And while we're running the spectrum analyzer mode on the VNA, all our VNAs now have spectrum analyzer modes. And you can see that it goes from being a single sideband on the upper sideband to single sideband on the lower sideband as the phase sweeps through 90 degrees or minus 90 degrees. So that's a really kind of unique capability. The other interesting thing we can do with this product is we can do the noise figure measurements. Now, these aren't very good because it's open in the air so we can see the Wi-Fi, but we're actually doing dual channel noise figure on the I channel and the Q channel by injecting a signal in the output, then measuring the I and the Q on the ports 1 and 2. So new here is we have a dual noise figure measurements on this system. Up above it we have its baby brother, the USB PNA. This one is a 54 gigahertz 4-port system, and USB VNA, if we turn it sideways, is the same modules that we use in the PXI VNA. And here with the PXI VNA, we have a new capability where we're using a modulation source, a wideband arbitrary waveform generator, to generate a wideband signal, modulated signal into an amplifier. And this particular version of PXI VNA allows us to have external couplers. So we're running this at quite high power, about 2 watts, and we're injecting into the output an active load. So this system allows us to do active load pull measurements. And then finally, over on this system, the same hardware that's here is inside, basically the same hardware set. And this system is doing a full set of measurements. It's like the middle brother, the middle child of the network analyzer. It has many of the capabilities of the PNA-X Pro, but not quite as sophisticated. So it only has 2 ports. It does have noise figure measurements. It's got spectrum analyzer capabilities. And it's got about, I'd say, 80% of the capabilities for about 60% of the price. So a very good option for manufacturing tests. So that's the big VNA lineup for today.